What is Squid Game about?
It's a Korean survival drama where players compete in deadly children's games for money.
Who created Squid Game?
Hwang Dong-hyuk created and directed the series.
When was Squid Game released?
It was released on September 17, 2021.
Where was Squid Game produced?
It was produced in South Korea.
What platform streams Squid Game?
It is available on Netflix.
How many episodes are in Squid Game Season 1?
Season 1 has 9 episodes.
What is the prize money in Squid Game?
The prize is 45.6 billion Korean won.
Who plays the main character, Seong Gi-hun?
Lee Jung-jae plays Seong Gi-hun.
What is Gi-hun's player number?
His number is 456.
Who plays Cho Sang-woo?
Park Hae-soo plays Sang-woo.
What is Sang-woo's player number?
His number is 218.
Who plays Kang Se-byuk?
Jung Ho-yeon plays Se-byuk.
What is Se-byuk's player number?
Her number is 067.
Who plays the old man in the game?
Oh Young-soo plays Oh Il-nam.
What is the old man's player number?
His number is 001.
Who plays the police officer, Jun-ho?
Wi Ha-jun plays Jun-ho.
What role does the frontman play?
He manages the games and oversees operations.
Who plays the frontman?
Lee Byung-hun plays the frontman.
What kind of games do players play?
They play deadly versions of Korean children's games.
What color tracksuits do players wear?
Players wear green tracksuits.
What color uniforms do guards wear?
Guards wear pink uniforms.
What symbols are on the guards' masks?
Circle, triangle, and square symbols are on their masks.
What does the circle on the mask mean?
It represents a lowest ranked worker.
What does the triangle on the mask mean?
It stands for soldiers with weapons.
What does the square on the mask mean?
It shows the supervisors of the guards.
What is the first game in Squid Game?
The first game is red light, green light.
Who leads the first game?
A giant robotic doll leads the first game.
What happens when players move during red light?
They get shot instantly.
What is the second game in Squid Game?
The second game is the honeycomb challenge.
What shapes are in the honeycomb game?
Circle, triangle, star, and umbrella shapes are used.
What is the third game?
The third game is tug of war.
What strategy helps in tug of war?
Players lean back and pull in rhythm.
What is the fourth game?
The fourth game is marbles.
How do players win the marbles game?
They must take all the marbles from their opponent.
What is the fifth game?
The fifth game is the glass bridge.
How do players cross the glass bridge?
They must step on tempered glass panels.
What is the final game called?
The final game is called Squid Game.
Why is it called Squid Game?
It is named after a Korean childhood game played on a squid-shaped field.
Who wins the Squid Game?
Seong Gi-hun wins the competition.
What happens to Sang-woo in the end?
He takes his own life in the final round.
What does Gi-hun do with the prize money?
He barely uses it and lives in guilt.
Who turns out to be the game's creator?
Oh Il-nam, the old man, is the creator.
Why did Oh Il-nam create the game?
He wanted entertainment for rich people and to feel alive again.
What happens to Oh Il-nam at the end?
He dies peacefully in a hospital.
What does Gi-hun dye his hair color to?
He dyes it bright red.
Why does Gi-hun dye his hair red?
It symbolizes his transformation and anger.
What does Gi-hun plan to do after winning?
He plans to stop the games.
Who kills the game recruiter in the finale?
The recruiter is not killed. He keeps recruiting players.
What game is used to recruit new players?
They play the Dokchi paper flipping game.
Who recruits Gi-hun in the beginning?
A man in a suit with a briefcase recruits him.
What color cards are used to invite players?
Brown cards with shapes are used.
How do players get eliminated?
They are killed during the games.
What motivates players to keep playing?
The huge cash prize motivates them.
What is shown above the players' beds?
A giant piggy bank filled with money.
What happens when players vote to stop the game?
The game temporarily ends.
Why do most players return to the game?
They return because of their desperate lives.
Where do players sleep?
They sleep in a large dormitory.
How are players identified?
They are known by their numbers.
What type of music is played in the game area?
Calm classical music is played.
What does the frontman's mask look like?
It looks black and geometric shaped.
Who is the frontman's brother?
His brother is police officer Jun-ho.
What happens to Jun-ho in the series?
He is shot by the frontman.
How does the series criticize society?
It shows class inequality and human greed.
What theme dominates Squid Game?
The main theme is survival under pressure.
What message does Squid Game send?
It warns about the dangers of desperation and greed.
Why did people love Squid Game?
They loved its thrilling story and emotional depth.
How did the series influence fashion?
People started wearing green tracksuits and masks.
What song became famous from Squid Game?
Fly Me to the Moon became widely known from one scene.
What is the shape of the game arena?
It has colorful maze-like staircases.
What color dominates the game locations?
Bright pink and pastel colors dominate.
How are dead bodies removed?
Guards cremate them secretly.
What language is Squid Game originally in?
It is in Korean.
How many players start the game?
There are 456 players at the start.
What number of players survived the first game?
Less than half survive red light, green light.
How does Gi-hun know Sebyok?
They meet inside the game.
Why does Sebyok join the game?
She wants to bring her family from North Korea.
What happens to Sebyok before the final round?
She dies from an injury.
Who kills Sebyok?
Sang-woo kills her.
How does the VIP group watch the games?
They watch through hidden cameras.
What nationality are the VIPs?
They are mostly foreign billionaires.
Why do VIPs fund the games?
They find pleasure in watching people die for money.
What masks did the VIPs wear?
They wear golden animal masks.
How does Gi-hun react after discovering the truth?
He feels betrayed and heartbroken.
What does Gi-hun promise to the old man?
He promises to help someone in need.